Today, I'll share the ways personal branding can help student athletes put their best foot forward in securing lucrative NIL deals, along with some advice on what not to do. Please don't forget to tackle that subscribe button, give us a like, and hit that notification bell. Do it now. Please, do it now. I always love answering your questions, so you're always welcome to leave a comment below about what we go through today's video and DM us on Instagram with any questions. So branding can be a very interesting subject, and it's all over the place. So let's start off by talking about a brief example of what personal branding is. We all know that corporate brands are, but what about personal branding? Most simply put, a personal brand is the expression and reputation of just one individual. This identity is used to make a memorable impact through a person's unique skill set, profession, personality, or point of view. When a consumer can identify with an individual, there is an automatic trust instilled in whatever product or service that individual represents or promotes. Think of it this way. Your personal brand is who you are, what you stand for, and what others can believe in. Because personal branding is very personal, it is important to brand oneself in a relevant way and to consumer base that makes sense, right? So you want to brand yourself. Here's 5 tips for getting started in building that foundation for your personal brand. Know what makes you unique. How can you stand out from your competition? Because you definitely have something that can help you stand out. You need to have that business mindset. Think like a business, and you can better understand how to focus your efforts for profitability. Lead with authenticity. Consumers need to trust you to support you. Keep it real, and your audience will align with you. Make yourself visible. Along with branding comes marketing. You must be active on social media, engaged in your community, or present in your school. Focus on consistency. Staying true to your vision and goals will keep your audience tuned in, that grit. It may take some time to build a presence, but the fastest way to do it is through consistency of voice, mood, values, and aesthetics. Loving this content? Don't forget to tackle that subscribe button, give us a like, and hit that notification bell while you're at it. Just as important as what to do in personal branding is what not to do. So here are those 5 don'ts in personal branding. Don't attack other brands. Sometimes tempting to use your platform to shine light on others doing things wrong. This tactic will wear thin on your audience and instead give them reason to pay attention to your competitors. Instead, focus on who you are and how you operate differently. Overpromise than underdeliver. No one likes to be fooled, so stay away from promising the world if you can't deliver it. Make realistic promises and over-deliver when you can to win over your audience and supporters. Be unprepared. Personal branding and marketing oneself takes work and is a long game. Familiarize yourself with the practices of prominent personalities or business doings, big things, and borrow their work ethic. Forget your audience. The last thing you want to do is ignore your supporters. Without the attention of your audience, you are yelling into a black hole. Make your efforts count by speaking to and for your target audience. You don't want to ignore strategy. Branding at any level takes thought and intention. Create a strategy of actionable items to keep your brand moving and growing. Ignoring strategy often leads to burnout or lack of measurable success. So, how do you leverage where to brand yourself? Now that you have the basic idea of personal branding and are armed with do's and don'ts, you need to leverage your brand. This can benefit you by securing lucrative sponsorship deals. I've come up with a quick list of high-value places to leverage your personal brand. LinkedIn profiles are perfect for this. The place for other professionals to network online. This platform gives you a ready audience of business-minded peers. Build a personal website. It doesn't have to be anything great yet, but brand and build out a website with your brand language and aesthetic to fully convey your point of view, values, missions. Instagram, a common place for brand awareness and self-promotion. You can engage with other people and brands in a meaningful way. Create a nice email signature. An often overlooked space, an email signature can lead your readers to one of your many media platforms or channels. And like this, YouTube. Influencers do it all the time. Make a video blog about your passions, your community involvement, or your favorite products. As your audience grows, so too will your potential for opportunities. Stay the course and you will be rewarded. I hope this episode helps to demystify personal branding and offer some solid advice on how to leverage your personal brand for future goals. Again, I'll ask, don't forget to tackle that subscribe button, give us a like, and hit that notification bell. Now this is Zach with Creative, where business is our sport.